In this video, let's talk about how hard it is to install wheel spacers for trucks. Installing wheel spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating the tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to lift your car. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit wheel spacers on your truck correctly and safely. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools and materials: a jack and jack stands, a wheel lug wrench and torque wrench, a wheel brush or sandpaper, a set of hub-centric wheel spacers that match your truck's bolt pattern, hub bolt, and design thickness. Use a quartz wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a quartz wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the bonus bolt after pulling wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nuts. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of bonus truck wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These truck wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The bonus truck wheel spacers are all Ford. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. Install the ring and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nut works. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. Bonus recommends checking the use of truck wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.